My name is Venkat Lakshminarasimha. I'm a Director of Managed Services at Dices. Meditation, it's a significant part of my life. Someone actually asked me, now that you meditate so regularly and you have had so much benefit and you're so excited about talking about meditation to a lot of people, why don't you actually train them in meditation? And because this gentleman asked me, it occurred to me that maybe I can also be a trainer. And this happened after like 21, 22 years of practice. And the pleasure of sharing this practice with others is that you meet people from all sections of society. Housewives who are so busy with their lives, they need to meditate, they want to learn to meditate. Students from college, from high school, who are very worried about how they're going to do in their exams, how they're going to come out in the society. And of course, old age people, police officers who are currently serving the society, who can benefit from meditation, who can then take us to civil servants who can benefit from meditation. Doctors benefit the most from us. I mean, I have a doctor from Shankar Netralaya who's been meditating with me, and she helps little kids.
I'm Dr. Meenakshi Swaminathan. What is special about Venkat is that despite however busy he is, he will always make time for this most important activity, meditation. Last year was difficult health-wise. I also have a sick parent, and there are many challenges at work. We deal with a lot of blindness, we deal with difficult students. I think meditation has helped me cope with all these challenges. It has also helped me to take and make decisions with equanimity and in a calm manner.
You know, when we help a lot of people in the society, somehow nature conspires itself to give us the right introductions. So I had a chance to meet the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and present a plan to him to teach meditation, of course, for free. Not just the Chief Minister, even very high-profile people like Mr. Rajnikant, Mr. Vivek, who are actors in the Tamil cinema field, and they actually want to be part of this and they want to help out. People who get trained in meditation, where I help them, they immediately find peace within themselves. Whatever their life situation may be, someone is going through raising a teenager, someone is preparing for an exam, someone who's finished all of his life as an old age home, the first thing they find is peace. And more importantly, they find a lot of clarity in their own life situation. Look, I've just started this journey of sharing something very valuable for me with others as well. And it doesn't need huge sacrifices. You have a work, you have family, and then you have something that you treasure, and then you share it with others who are willing. If I could do it for the meditation practice, there are lots of other people who are a huge inspiration, who balance their life, family, and this other interests that they have. So my calling, if I have learned one thing which I could share with you, is that if you're strong, you help the weak. If you're knowledgeable, you share your knowledge. Or if you have a practice like meditation that you have learned over a period of time, then you share that. But what's key is to share what we think is valuable with others in the society so that they can benefit. That is a really good learning that I have.